Hello YouTube, Leapin' Leppin' Wing-a-Ding-Dong here. This is my first video on this channel, and I welcome everybody who sees it, comments, and subscribes. So, for my first video on my channel, I'm going to be taking this old Game Boy Pocket, clear, and taking the internals out, transferring them over to this, where I got from AliExpress. It's another Game Boy shell, Game Boy Pocket shell I mean. This here. And we're going to clean this one up. Of course I'm going to put this away. This is going to be the new Game Boy Pocket. So, let's get started. We got several screws. We got one here, one here, one here, one here. Oh, sorry. There's two here and two here. Sorry about that. I didn't see you. And we also got two here. I'm using an old high 8. So go ahead and unscrew these with a tri-wing. Oop. Yeah, not going to focus. Anyway, it's a Nintendo tri-wing. Everybody knows that. Alright. Split the case apart gently. Very gently, like that. And there's your back right there. Sorry if I blinded you on that. And here's the Game Boy Pocket itself. See, we got 1, 2, 3 screws it looks like to take out. Power switch, that'll be replaced as well. How many chips do we got here? See if I can zoom in for you guys. If I can find my zoom button. There it is. MGB. Like we got your typical Nintendo chips. Alright. So let's go ahead and get these out. I could use what came with the set, these, but I'm not going to. I don't trust them. Besides, I got one from Harbor Freight and works just fine. I know people hate Harbor Freight, but personally, I don't care just as long as it has screwdrivers. Alright. Take that screw out. This screw out. Nice little pop there. In fact, I'm going to let you listen to this here. Oh, wait. Yep, right there. So you can hear it. Oh yeah, that's a good pop. I like it when screws pop. Alright. More pieces come out. Yep. Oh, okay, that was a button. Now, we gotta get this out. I'm gonna observe this real quick. Alright, figured it out. So, what you gotta do is gently pull this apart. Just bend it slightly, then it'll come out like that. That's still good. Got some weird stuff going on here, but it doesn't affect the gameplay. So anyway, that to the side. We're going to be using new parts. These are the old parts here. We're going to be getting rid of these and using these new ones, like I said. So, let's go ahead and start getting this other one together. The first thing we're going to do is the screen. We've got some protective film on here. Okay. You want to peel that off. There we go. Alright. Then peel the frame, or the, maybe, must be one on this side as well. Just a minute. Figured it out. Pull that apart. You had two separate layers there, and they didn't want to stick to each other. Put this on this side, like this. Okay. Alright. So that's in. Oh yeah, that's in. Try not to get all fingerprinty. Little screws there. I did have to take the screen off the ribbon cable, or the ribbon cable off the deal. So we'll just put this back in, get this back in frame. One side down, other side down. Now, before we put that back in, we got to put on our D-pad and our buttons. So we'll get these bags. There we go. And put these over here. Open this bag up. Alright. So, this is also the new pad. In fact, let's take a look at... Oh yeah, those are okay. I was looking at these brass areas here, see if they need cleaned, and they don't. So that's a good thing. Now these only go in one way. It's foolproof. Got this here. Excuse me. Goes in like this. Button here. Oops. Foolproof, and I screwed up. It happens. Happens to everybody. I believe that's how that goes in. There we go. Alright. I think that's in. Yeah, that's in. Oh yeah. Alright. Those are in. Of course, these are your pad buttons here. Goes in like that. Sorry, like that. Yep. Okay. I wish I could see it a little better. These are the new ones, I think. Yeah. Start, select. Of course, then our D-pad contacts. Alright. Alright. Now what we're going to do is put the Game Boy part itself back. Oops, sorry about that. Line everything up. Make sure its speaker's on right, so I don't want sound to come out the back. That'd be kind of weird. Alright. The button in. Okay. Then the back will go on. Just like that. Now it did come with its own screws, but I'm going to put the Nintendo ones back in because maybe. Oh, wait, no. See? Aha! Almost made a mistake, didn't I? I forgot to put in these screws. Aha! There's a lesson for you guys. Make sure you put your screws in. And don't crack the board. There we go. Okay, that's nice. 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 Okay. Okay. There we go. Change bits. See if the original Nintendo ones will go back in. Yes, they will. I'm just lightly tightening these up at first. I'm not jamming them in there. Alright, now we're going to start tightening up the screws. Like you kind of do with a tire. Okay. 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 A little stiff, but alright. Unless I put that in wrong. Nope. Yeah, they're not flush, are they? Especially that A button. Let me sort that out real quick. Okay, quick deal on this. With this screen, whenever you're customizing your Game Boy, you may have to tape down this part. Because if you don't, you're going to get two black squares on the side, or nothing at all. So, just a quick reminder. Alright, got it going here. Went ahead and put some batteries in it and put a little game in there. Super Pika Land. Yes, it's a ROM hack. Go ahead and put the back on. And I may, for you guys, you know what? Let me get something real quick here. Let's see. Ah, I know. Just a minute. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Hopefully that worked for you guys. But yeah. So there it is. Oop. Oh, there. Yeah, we can do that. Game Boy Pocket. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we gotta do one last thing here. The piece of resistance. Yes. The sticker. Oh, well, maybe. There we go. Just like that. Now, I'm going to try to center this the best that I can. That's good enough. No, not for me. Not for me. Let's try that again. Take this off screen real quick. There it is. Side still wanting to... Yeah, that's alright. Or a dime a dozen. But anyway, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. From the Game Boy Pocket Clear to a regular Game Boy Pocket Classic. This is Leapin' Leppin' Wing-a-Ding-Dong signing off. Please comment, subscribe, like. Thank you.